Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica Services. Today we will make realistic mockup in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's start. So we have one can image with background and one label image. So let's start. So we will start from this. So firstly, we will duplicate the layer. Now just go to properties panel and remove background. It will remove background automatically. Now it's done. You can see there's no background in it. So now we will make it convert to smart object. Now we will go to another tab where we have one label to just drag into the same panel. Now just adjusting the size, press Ctrl T and adjusting the size of the label according to your can or your anything bottle and all. Now just manage. You can down opacity also, making it more just perfectly. And I think so. This is fine. 100% opacity now. Now just click on the background like transparent can and goes to multiply the blending mode. And just click on the label right and press right click on from your mouse and goes to create clipping mask and see now it's done and it's looking too perfect. That's it for the video. Not certain, so comment your designs or mockups below. Thanks for watching.